Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Ali Raja's Bagan Bari UK. I am your host Akib, and today we have another exciting video. Today is Sunday and my mom will be making Sunday rolls for the family, and I'm in charge of making the dessert. I'm going to be making my favorite dessert, which is pumpkin pie with our mishti from our garden. Guys, I'm so excited to cook the pumpkin pie, and also I will be giving you a quick update of our vegetable garden. I would like to thank all of you viewers and subscribers for showing me so much love and support. The ones who haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notifications for more future videos. This mishti is from our garden. I am going to be using it to make our pumpkin pie. I'm going to have to cut it in 2 halves. Guys, wow, I just cut this mishti and it looks so beautiful. I have to take all the seeds out. Guys, I took all the seeds out of the mishti and I'm going to sprinkle some salt over it, and I'm only going to be using 1 half because it's going to be a serving of 4 people. So I'm going to sprinkle some salt over it and I'm going to put it in the oven so it softens up. I'm going to tip the mishti upside down and put it on this tray and stick it in the oven. While this is being cooked, let's go in the garden and give you an update of our garden. Guys, last video I called these khodus babies, but now they're grown into adults. Look at these babies, look at these adults. Guys, this was large enough to cut, so I'm going to cut it now. Heavy. Guys, look at the size of this thing. Last video was so small, now it's massive. Really big. Guys, these are some of the chilies that we harvested last video. We're gonna dry them out and get all the seeds for next season. We're gonna be using lots of them for Naga Moris sauce and Naga pickle. We still got so many Naga Morises, I do not know what to do with them. Guys, it's been about half an hour. Let's check on it. Yeah, guys, it's nice and soft. It's nice and soft now, so I'm going to scoop it and put it in this bowl here. Guys, this is how it should look like. Nice and colourful. This is some condensed milk. You're supposed to put all of it inside here. Condensed milk is nice and sweet, so I'm not going to be adding any sugar. This is a mixture of nutmeg, cinnamon and ginger. Just half a spoon with all of it mixed. I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of salt and 2 egg yolks. Guys, now I'm going to be beating it with the potato grinder. Guys, make sure you beat it properly so it's nice and smooth and you don't have any bits in it. And when it's almost done, this is how it should look like. Smooth and no bits in it. Guys, this is our ready-made pastry which we bought from the supermarket. Guys, we're going to put the puree in the pastry now. Guys, now I got the puree into the pastry, I'm going to smooth it out by shaking it a bit. Guys, it's looking very nice now. I'm going to put this in the oven. The oven is set for 200 degrees. Just have to wait now. Guys, I just took it out of the oven and I'm just going to check with a knife if it's ready. Yeah guys, it's ready because none of the puree got onto the knife. Let me just check one more time. Yeah, it's ready. Nothing is there, it's all clean. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. I'm going to let it cool down before I cut it because if it's too hot and when I'm cutting it's going to break. The dessert is ready. My mum cooked the food, so the food is ready. Everybody's starving. So don't go away because we're going to have to try the dessert. We have to put on the whipped cream now. Guys, it's time to have dessert. Nana, try it. is so nice and it tastes even better with the whipped cream. Guys, I had a really fun time cooking pumpkin pie. It didn't take that long, it took like 2 hours. It's not that long and it was really fun to make. I'm going to put the recipe in the description, so try it out because it's really fun to make and it's not that long to make as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications for more future videos. And thanks for your lovely comments.